Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of it is police weren't expecting her to do this. I wonder what this is. So let's get into it.
On June 21st, 2023, officers responded to a disturbance. The caller advised that while she was driving, a female who was partially naked threw a rock at her windshield and broke it. At the same time, another officer received a call regarding a female matching her description. He quickly tracked her down.
What the heck she got on? Oh, hawk her down. Hawk her down. Oh, yeah. Damn, her hands are sweaty. And everything. What the heck?
Shut the hell up. You're fired, cunt. Shut up. Shut your mouth.
Oh, she got the flapjacks. Ah. Ah.
Alrighty. Where's the damagen? You got your license and all that good stuff? I just need your license.
Everything.
You have everything ready. Where exactly did it happen?
Well, here, as I was turning, I was just coming home from work.
You were turning
I
in
was
here?
slowing down on the red light and turning here, and
And where was she at?
she was actually crossing from that,
The Walgreens?
yeah, towards here. And I guess she thought I was going too fast, and she was just throwing numbers and whatever faces at me.
So you're coming down there?
As I lived down the street, I was coming home from work.
And she was just crossing the street.
Coming from that side,
Get your work phone?
crossing
You just know a picture of her and
into
she's
the
What was she wearing?
She was wearing shorts. Her hair's frizzy. I guess it just startled me that I'm thinking she was wearing brown shorts, but I don't remember the top. I think like a little sweater or something.
Okay. Who's gonna go take a picture of her? We've been dealing with her for the last couple of days. I'm sure it's gonna be her.
Oh, okay.
Here's what the officer told the woman.
So what we're gonna need for you to do is when they get to fix it, he's gonna give you a case number. You're gonna call us back with the estimate. It's gonna determine the crime amount. Right now, she's gonna be arrested for the vandalism, but it could be elevated to a felony if it's gonna cost more than $1,000, which it will. For the glass and the repair and for it to get installed will be more than $1,000. So, but she is gonna be charged with it. And again, we're seeing this all the time. I mean, if you want her to be charged, if not, we'll let her go.
Well, I mean, how can she pay anyway? I'm sure
She can't.
doesn't.
She's absolutely out of her mind on drugs, and that's her problem, not yours.
That's true.
You know, she needs to be held responsible and accountable for her actions. She can't be walking around this time of day, and she's not wearing any clothes. She didn't have any shirt on.
Oh.
And so, you know, she just.
The only thing I kind of disagree with is that the officer saying she should be held responsible for her actions and stuff like that, which he is right, but when you can't, that's kind of like persuading, you know, the victim one way or the other, and you really can't do that as an officer. You should really just let the person decide.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're gonna get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
If they want to press charges or not, but by him like saying those little things, like it's kind of persuading it one, you know, swaying it one way or the other, which he shouldn't do, but it is what it is.
Can't grab a rock from the landscaping here and throw it and smash her window. You know, and then she was down there trying to get into cars at the Lottaburger and then mess around with the shell. So she's a public nuisance right now. So we're going to take her in for the charge that we have now, if you want that. And when you get the estimate, we can elevate it to a felony.
Okay.
And then that way we can kind of help you out with that a little bit, okay? All right. So this gentleman's going to give you that information. You have your seat up. Okay, so you're going to get booked for the vandalism?
So you're going to get booked for assaulting me.
No. We'll
Yeah,
see
you
how they
assaulted
work.
me, bitch.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Took
It was
off
on
running.
camera. The Border Patrol Sheriff's talking.
It was on camera right here.
Bitch.
So when I tell you you're under arrest and you take off running,
So that doesn't legitimize you hitting me in the head.
I
Actually,
didn't hit you in the head.
You did. You hit me hard.
I did not hit you hard.
You
If
probably
I wanted it,
TBI. And
if I did, you'd know. You'd still be on the ground. I have a what?
Amnesia or something.
No, no. So
I
you
need
can
medical attention. Is my ambulance okay?
no,
Did you hit me so hard?
no. I'll take you to the hospital, but you don't get an ambulance, okay? You'll be just fine. Absolutely not. So you're gonna be charged with vandalism for breaking that lady's window, throwing a rock at her, okay? That's not cool. This lady had nothing to do with anything today. No, that was you. She identified you. So you're gonna be charged with it.
How did you know?
By a photograph we took of you. So here you go.
Just now too?
We'll take you to the hospital if you want to get medically cleared. But there's nothing wrong with you, but we'll waste their time and our money.
No, take me with you now.
Absolutely not. You're going to jail.
Hey,
so you got whatever's going on, we got to.
Hey, get somebody some overtime, man. Get one of them officers some overtime, man. Take it to the hospital, get it, you know, sit there for a few hours or whatever. Let one of them officers get some overtime. You know what I mean? What month is it? It's June, right? That's 6. So yeah, June, you know what I'm saying? Summertime about to get started, you know what I mean? Hey, you know what I'm saying? A little money for the summer, you know, nothing wrong with that.
For this, okay? This behavior is not acceptable. They also said that you're trying to get into cars over at the Lottaburger, okay? Whatever's going on, we got to figure that out. It was you. Yeah, they said black shorts, naked. With the.
We're all black shorts and naked.
No, you are.
One of the officers explained the situation to the suspect.
Paul, I'm not judging you. I'm not, okay? You got to understand what's going on here, all right?
No,
That lady didn't do anything wrong. She's an elderly lady who's taking care of her dad who's 95 years old with dementia.
my grandmother, so she.
I get it, but now she has to pay for a broken window because somebody's.
Okay, I'll pay for it.
That would be nice.
I'll get her a new truck, right?
I don't know. She doesn't want a new truck.
Windshield.
Yeah.
I know a windshield guy.
I know. So here's the thing. What's going on that this behavior is coming about? I've never seen you before.
I'm done with Northside, you know? There's not the Northside gang here in Crusoe.
That's old school. That's way, way old.
They put a trap, a block down. Inside this, what did they call that? Desert of Hope. Desert Hope. No. There's a trap on these and.
Are you on any other medications? Have you been diagnosed with anything? Do you have to have
Anything, right?
Like what?
Bipolar affective disorder. I have
Bipolar?
TBI. I was the pimp slapper around the world, right?
The pimp slap? Where was this at?
In Albuquerque.
Oh, in Albuquerque? When was that?
I chose 1 year.
This year? Yeah, the one you were...
Oh, the pimp, or whatever you want to call him?
He's still up in Albuquerque?
No, my dad's in California right now.
No, but
The guy who runs the Desert Hope.
the one who stole your... The one who stole your...
Oh, no,
your
that's
meds.
Tycho. That's one of the
Tycho.
twins, right?
What are we doing here? What are we waiting on? Get the information from her. If she wants to press charges, let's go. Let's go. Take her to jail. We're done. Like, what is this? What is going on here? What is really, honestly, what are we doing here? If I'm an officer, I'm not talking to you. Listen, she want to press charges. You threw the rock. We're taking you down there. Yeah, if it's over $1,000, we gonna up it to a felony. Hey, you're done. You know what I'm saying? What is there to talk about? What else is there to talk about?
Yeah.
The shifty twins.
And he's still up at the Desert
No,
Hope?
he's very shifty because he's got a twin, right? So they're everywhere. That's how they people, right?
Well, here's the thing, okay? Because this happened in broad daylight. You're going to have to go in for the trespassing. She wanted charges pressed on you, okay? What happened, okay? Listen, my concern is to get you the medical help and the intervention help that you're going to need.
Yeah.
All right,
I run
so...
First Nation.
Okay, well, here's the thing. You know, whatever's going on with your TBI and all the other stuff, we got to get you regulated on real meds, not fentanyl, not clear.
No,
Not blues and not clear. I'm trying to figure out what we can do to get you off the streets because this behavior is going to start to
Just take me to my
escalate.
grandma's then.
I can't. I got it. If she wants you charged, it's not me. You got to be booked, okay? But when you take off running and you have no clothing on, how am I supposed to get you to stop?
Right.
I could have tased you. I could have tackled you.
You should have faced me, actually.
And then you'd fall face first on the concrete and your face would be busted open. Alright. I'm just going to spin here on this way because I'm not going to show everybody your stuff, okay? I don't want them to... I'm not that guy, okay?
Not the flapjack.
I know you think it's okay, but I do not. Okay. And then just turn this one on your wrist this way. There you go. Okay.
Wait, that one's still too tight. Okay, like.
You gotta turn your wrist up. Yeah. This way. Tight. Watch yourself. There you go. Better? Just put your hands together, clap your hands together. Just like that, okay?
Soon she was transported to jail for further processing.
Alright. Want to step out for me, Miss Paul? You said you need the restroom?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we gotta go in here.
Okay.
Alright, step over here, ma'am. Alright, just move up this way. Follow this gentleman, please. Once we get you in here, we'll let you use the restroom, alright? It's kind of just a curtain thing, alright?
I'm starving. Are you coffee?
I don't know if we have any here. Can you go to this other blue door? Okay. Come over here. No, right here. Right here, man. I'm going to take these off you real quick so you can go use the restroom, alright?
Okay.
It's a secure little facility, but we got to keep the door slightly ajar. So when you're done,
Well, I just killed somebody by, like, you know, hitting your buzzer right at the right point with my, like, index finger at this point. So,
Okay, well,
you guys are jumpy. I'm a trained assassin. That's how dogs make methamphetamine for everyone. I shot it on me.
well, we appreciate you not doing that, you know?
That's why I started to check.
I thought we started
on the show when I got home. I was right out of trouble. Right? I'll get shot.
Alright, go ahead. You go in and go to your right. It's right there, ma'am. Alright, Miss Paul, go ahead and step out here. Just put your hands behind your back again. Put your hands together like you're praying. No, like, yeah, just like that. It'll be a little bit more comfortable on your wrist, okay? We're just gonna get the paperwork and get you on your way.
Okay.
This way. I'm gonna go on the other side. Watch your head.
Come on, honestly, listen, the time of this video, man, this body cam footage is 2023. Why do they vehicles still look like it's from like 1994? Like, honestly, like, can we update the vehicles a little bit? Like, come on now. Yeah, like, y'all department can't be hurting for bread that bad, bro. Y'all still holding on to 94 cars, 98. Like, come on now. You know, and did you see her outfit? Oh my, I would not want to be the officer having to deal with that.
The female was charged with criminal damage to property and resisting arrest.
Not bad. Resisting arrest, criminal damage to property. Not too bad. Hopefully she got a shirt.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.